You've probably seen there are lots of different ways that you can do kickbacks with bands, on the cables, with dumbbells. Today we're going to give it a go on the cable. I'm going to give you a variation that I like to use in my weekly workouts. So I've got the cable attached on the bottom. I've got moderate weight right now. I like to start with a lower weight and then move my way up as I warm up. I'm going to hold on to the bar in front of me for leverage because we want to make sure that we're not swinging and using other parts of the body. So we are allowed to hold on to help create that stability. Now, with that being said, your opposite leg is also probably going to be on fire because it is working to counterbalance and to keep you stable. So you are going to feel a burn in your glute and hip on the opposite side as well. Okay, so I'm going to come down, keeping my back nice and flat. As always, no slouching. I'm going to bring the knee forward. I'm leaving the knee a little bit loose. I'm not locking it out to start. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose when I bring it forward. Start to straighten it out and squeeze the top of the glute. I'm going to try to get to the height of my hip. So trying to have that leg parallel to the ground. And at the top, I'm thinking of pressing my foot away from the cable. So I'm kicking and I'm pressing the foot away from my body as I'm extending. As you can see, I'm not moving the rest of the body. My core is engaged, my back is flat, and my opposite glute is burning as well. I am kicking back on a slight angle. I'm not crossing over the other way. Okay, just a slight angle away from the body. Hope that helps. Let's give it a try.